Hi guys, we got here a 2022 Dodge Challenger. It has a damage on the front bumper. I'll show you how to remove your bumper. First things first, you have to remove this plastic cover. It's just gonna pop up. It's just use a pry tool to pop this plastic cover, the top cover of your bumper. That's gonna be into two pieces. So once that thing is pop up, there is like push-up clips on the top. There's 1, 2, 3. All you have to use is a pry tool or any flat screwdriver. It's easy to remove. Once you pop that one, there's another 3 sets of push-up clips on the outside and on the corner, far end corner on the top of your headlight. There is 10 mil bolt that you have to remove both sides. There you go. So I wasn't able to show you the 10 mil, but you can use your any wrench to remove the 10 mil on each side. There you go, the 10 mil bolts. Now after that, you can, so on the sides of your, or the driver's side, there is like push, not push, it's just a plastic rivets. There's 4 plastic rivets you have to remove. So all you have to do is just pick, either you pick or any pick that you can push the middle, so you could be able to remove it easily. It's not really hard to remove a plastic rivet. So push the middle and then use a pry tool like what I got. I bought this from Princess Auto. It's cheaper. I think it's just $23. There you go. Once you pop those all plastic rivets, you can partially remove, not partially remove, partially push out or push in your wheel liner. Here, it's not really that hard. And then there's like push-up clips in the bottom. Oh no, it's the same. It's a rivet, plastic rivet. There you go. So as I said, you can pop out the wheel liner and you're gonna have an access to a 10 mil right there on the sides of your bumper, like below the bottom of, no, just bottom of your fender. So once you remove that 10 mil bolt, there is another 10 mil inside of the fender. It's just behind your headlight. Remember that 10 mil right there, you have to remove that in order to remove your whole bumper. Okay guys, remember that one. So underneath the bumper, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 mil that you have to remove. So there you go. Once you remove all those bolts and nuts that I had told you, you can remove your bumper easily. Just one plug in on that corner. That's on the passenger side, then it's good to go. Okay guys.